Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to count letters in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Let's look at this example. As you can see, these cells contain words along with numbers and special symbols. Let's count the letters in each cell. Unfortunately, there is no simple quick way to solve this problem, but we can use the formula for this. Let's enter the formula. At first glance, this is a big and scary formula, but it works very simple. The upper function converts all text to uppercase, and now the letter matching in the substitute function is case insensitive. And the substitute function creates an array in which each letter from A to Z is removed from the string one by one. Then the difference between the two length functions is calculated, and with each letter removed, the length decreases, which shows how many times any letter occurred in the text. And the sum function adds up all the results. Using this formula, you can count letters for any language such as Polish, Spanish, and so on. All we need to do is change the alphabet and the formula will count all the letters in the cells. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.